back to my channel. Hi to everybody and everybody watching. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Diana and welcome to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. I did get my box, I believe 2 days ago, but I have not been able to do a video, so today is a day, girl. This is the box for today, and it is a big box, not the usual small box. And I also used the palette for my eyes today. Yeah, bomb ass palette. I did get the Tarte. This is the first thing I'm gonna show y'all, and yeah, because I'm so excited for that. I'm gonna show you guys the pamphlet. It just says Boxy Charm All Access, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the things and how much they are and all that good stuff. So today we're gonna be showing you guys the Tarte High Performance Natural Clay Plate face shaping palette. What it does have eyeshadows, and they also have bronzers. So this is what it looks like. And then this palette, it is $45, so that's the price point. This is what the palette looks like. I did use it for my eyes today. So, and I also used the bronzer, which is this one here, to bronze my face. And it does come with a big ass mirror, so that was a plus for me. I really do like the palette. Is bomb. So that retails for $45. So it's an all-in-one palette featuring 12 Amazonian clay powder shades that play with light and shadow. The creamy microfine powder is infused with Amazon clay, which offers rich payoff that blends to a natural long-wearing finish without creasing, caking, or flaking. It's the perfect multitasking all-in-one beauty wardrobe, whether you're feeling low-key or high-key. Looks cool. I fucking love it. So now the next thing I do have here, it is the this brush set is by Moda Pro, and it's amazing. This is what it looks like. It is a 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless or on trend eye looks. This retails for $27.95. And this is what the brushes look like. These are so pretty. I didn't use them for my look today, but I will be using them. And then I love the handle. They're like super freaking dope. So this is what you get. You get like a pencil brush, a blending brush, a tapered, like all over, angled, and a small smudge brush. So that's what that looks like. I'm excited and beyond excited to use that. So yeah, and then let's go ahead and check what else we have. So we have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recover Sleeping Mask. Let's see. This is what this looks like, and it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring floral and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the site of irritation. So this is what that looks like, guys, and it's just a cream, I believe. This is what that looks like. So I will be trying these things, of course. I really like this this box. And then I also got this Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner, introducing our latest addition to the Slick and It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. This retails for $20. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. Let's open this shit real quick. So we're just gonna open it because we want to see what the fuck it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I do want to see. Okay, here we go. And I guess this one is in brown. Is it? I don't know. Mine's is not even. Let's try. Okay, it's in black. So okay, that looks better. Okay, I guess you have to, like, so put it, and that retails for $20. And then I also got the $1 billion brow microblade effect brow pen. This brow pen mimics the looks of natural brow hairs to get a great microfibrant effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looks, brow hairs, or more suitable looks. This long-lasting formula will last for all day, for an all-day look. This retails for $18. Let's open this bitch up. Sorry guys, I do have a long nail, so it kind of gives me a hard time to open this bitch, but we got it. Okay. So this is what this looks like. It's this little shit, and I don't fucking know what the fuck. Okay, it gives like these. Okay, I see now. But it's kind of it just gives like, this shit sucks ass. Okay, little hair strokes or whatever. Oh, this is what I'll be trying this out, so let's see how that works. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, that's it for the box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a good one. Please give me a thumbs up and share this, and just give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.